Hello all. Let us see about coordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. A conjunction joins words or group of words in a sentence. Example, I ate lunch with Kate and Dharma. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. First, coordinating conjunctions. It connects words, phrases, or clauses that are independent or equal. We use and, but, or, so, for, yet, and not. Correlative conjunctions used in pairs. We use here both, and, either or, neither nor, not only but also. Subordinating conjunctions used at the beginning of subordinate clauses, although, after, before, because, however, etc. Let us say in detail. Coordinating conjunctions. And. It means in addition to. We are going to a zoo and an aquarium on the same day. Here and is used that they go to zoo as well as the aquarium. But it connects two different things that are not in agreement. For example, I am a night owl, but she is an early bird. Or it indicates a choice between two things. For example, do you want a red one or a blue one? Next conjunction, so, illustrates a result of the first thing. This song has been very popular, so I downloaded it. Next, for, it means because. Example, I want to go there again, for it was a wonderful trip. Yet, it indicates contrast with something. For example, he performed very well, yet he didn't make the final cut. That's about the coordinating conjunctions. Second, correlative conjunctions. Both and. She won gold medals from both the single and group races. Either or. Example, I am fine with either Monday or Wednesday. Neither nor. Example, he enjoys neither drinking nor gambling. Not only, but also. Example, not only red, but also green looks good on you. Please exercise the quiz. Thank you.